video intercom system. We want to connect it to door entry system to open the door via the button from here and over the phone. And to set up, you need to connect the cable, Ethernet cable from here to the switch, PoE switch, and we're gonna connect the door station as well to the PoE switch. And yeah, when we connect the door station to the PoE switch on the computer, it will show inactive. Now it's inactive with SADP tools. And now what we're gonna do is set up a password on door station. And then confirm password. Okay, click OK. And we choose the language English. And set up email. And we use info at HDSecure.co.uk. And now we're gonna enable the DHCP. The DHCP is on now. The IP address is 192.168.1.5 and subnet mask. Now click on next. We're gonna do registration password. Go to configuration. Okay, we use exactly same password we used before. Confirmation. Right. Okay, and then click next. In here, if you want to connect it to Wi-Fi, you can turn it off, but we don't need to connect it with Wi-Fi. We're gonna change the date to time zone to London, and that's right, 24 hours time, and next, and we're gonna enable the HIC and create a verification. The verification always we use it's HDSecure, and then click on next. Yeah, that's the door station which is inactive. Now click on that, click next, and then okay, just 1 second, click on finish, and now we're waiting to pair this two. Okay, now we're gonna test it on live view, and in here the door station, it shows connected. Now the monitor came up. Now we're gonna test the station, and then we can answer. Means it's set up now. Now we're gonna connect it to magnet lock to open a door, and this is the standalone switch to open a door as well. This socket, it comes with a door station, and all this wire is connected to this one. And then from here you need one power supply, and from the power supply, plus and minus, from the plus red one, positive, goes direct to magnet locks on the red, and from magnet lock, the yellow, the black one, which is negative, we use the yellow cable, goes direct to the yellow color on the door station, the yellow color. And from the black one, power supply, the black one, the negative power, goes to the green one here, which is on door station. And for this one, for this switch to open a door on its own, you can use the power. It has a two wire, which one is negative, one is positive. The positive one goes to ground, black G and D goes to the black one in here on the door station, and the other one goes to the white one on the door station. Now it's connected with door station. We're gonna test it. If you click on this one, it will open the door. See, it's green.
The door is open.
Yeah, open. And the other thing, from here, when you press it, and you can click on this one and open it. But when you answer, and you can click here, door is open. That's it. Also, we're gonna do this through the mobile phone as well. Yeah. Now I'm gonna set it up on the phone as well. Need to go to the setting, and then go to configuration. Again, I need to put a password in. Okay, and then you go to setting, maintenance setting, and then you go to HIC connect service, and in here we at the beginning we set it up and it shows HDSecure. And now I'm gonna scan it with the phone. Okay, scan the QR code. Okay, search it. Add, next, skip. Okay, we have the door station here. Okay, now it shows it's on, right? Okay, if you forward. Okay. Now you will, if you want to open the door, click on the door.
The door is open.
Okay, it's live view, and you can open the door with your phone as well.